rational and irrational numbers. Now in the last standard we learn about the natural numbers. The smallest natural number is 1 and we can't say the biggest natural number. Next one, whole numbers. If we add 0 to natural numbers, then that set is whole numbers. So the smallest whole number is 0 and we can't say the biggest whole number. In the same way, we learn about the integers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. In the same way, on the left hand side, -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. Also we learn about the rational number. The number of the form m upon n are called rational numbers, and we know m and n are integers but n is not 0. To show rational numbers on a number line, see the first example. Let us see how to show 5 upon 3, 2, -2 upon 3 and 7 upon 3 on a number line. आता आपल्याला दिलेल्या संख्या रॅशनल नंबर लाईनवर दाखवायचे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ अ लाईन, दॅट इज लाईन. देन with the help of scale we can make equal distances. Or we can use compass for that. We can use compass or scale. We have to show 5 upon 3, 2, -2 upon 3, 7 upon 3. So here denominator is 3. या ठिकाणी छेद हा प्रत्येक ठिकाणी 3 आहे, म्हणून आपण प्रत्येक युनिटचे 3 समान भाग करूया. We divide each unit into 3 equal parts, that is first, second, third. Here we show 1, 2, 3. Here we show 2. In the same way, -1, -2, -2. Now let us see how to show 5 upon 3. Now here each unit is divided into 3 equal parts. प्रत्येक एककाचे आपण 3 समान भाग केलेले, म्हणजे हा प्रत्येक भाग 1 upon 3 डिनोट्स करू. प्रत्येक भाग हा 1/3 ही संख्या दाखवतो. So first of all here 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 3, that is 1. So here 4 upon 3, here we can denote 5 upon 3. We can give name to that point as A. Now 2, we have already denoted 2, that is 6 upon 3 is 2. Now -2 upon 3, now here -1 upon 3, so that is -2 upon 3. We denote that point as B. Next number, that is 7 upon 3. So we know that is 5 upon 3, 6 upon 3. So the next is 7 upon 3. We denote as C. या ठिकाणी आपण या संख्या दर्शवलेल्या आहेत. आपल्या लक्षात येण्यासाठी 5 upon 3. आता या ठिकाणी अंश हा मोठा आहे. If we divide 5 by 3, we get 3 1s are 3 remainder. So we can denote 5 upon 3 in this way. 1, remainder is 2 upon 3. So in this way 1 is whole number. So after 1, 2 upon 3. So that is second part. So that is 1 and here 1, 2. So here we can show 5 upon 3. In the same way 7 upon 3. If we divide 7 by 3, so 3 to the 6, we get remainder 1. So division is 2. We can write 7 upon 3 as 2. Remainder is 1. Divide 3. So after 2, so 2 is the whole number. So 1, that is first part. So that is 7 upon 3. In this way, we can show 5 upon 3, 2 minus 2 upon 3, 7 upon 3 on the number line. Show minus 5 upon 8 and 11 upon 8 on a number line. आता आपल्याला ऋण 5/8 आणि 11/8 या संख्या रेषेवर दाखवायच्या. So first of all we draw a number line. Now here denominator is 8. आता या ठिकाणी छेद हा 8 आहे, म्हणून आपण प्रत्येक युनिटचे 8 समान भाग केलेत. That so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 part is 1. In the same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 2. Here also this unit is also divided into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we show minus 1 only. Here न्यूमरेटर इज लेस दॅन डिनॉमिनेटर. अंश हा छेदापेक्षा लहान आहे, म्हणजे तो नक्कीच 1च्या आतमध्ये 0 तर ऋण 1च्या दरम्यानच ती संख्या या ठिकाणी येणार आहे. म्हणून आपण या ठिकाणी फक्त निगेटिव्ह 1 दर्शवला. आणि या ठिकाणी अंश हा छेदापेक्षा मोठा आहे. न्यूमरेटर is greater than denominator. So we show 2 here. If we divide 11 by 8, if we divide 11 by 8, we get 8 ones are 8. We get remainder 3. So we can denote 11 upon 8 as 1. Remainder is 3 and divisor is 8. So we can denote 11 upon 8 as 1, 3 upon 8. So 1 is a whole number, so that is 1. After 1, third part. So first, second, third. Here we can show 11 upon 8. We can give that point as A. So point A denotes 11 upon 8. Now negative 5 upon 8, so we can count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point, B points denote negative 5 upon 8. In this way we can show rational numbers on number line.